Okay guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the library. So it's a little bit similar to the media library, only this stuff is stored within the files of Camtasia. So every time you open a new Camtasia project, you've got stuff at hand that you can use all the time. So it's really good for backing tracks, music backing tracks. It's great for lower thirds and for intros. So say you've got a YouTube channel and you use the same intro all the time, save you constantly bringing it into the media bin. Every time you open Camtasia, it's there and ready for you to use. Same for end screens for YouTube as well. So it's great for things like that. The media library is over here again. So maybe, if you're minimized, just click library there, it's going to expand. It comes with some free stuff from Camtasia, which are in these files. So you can just click these, open and have a look at them. You can double click to preview them like that. They're just kind of basic icons, some basic music. They got some intros here. Just double click on this one so you can see that, and we'll take a look at editing those further down the line. Lower thirds, which is cool, outros, music tracks, again just double click, should be able to preview that. Okay, basic stuff. Down here you can download more assets, which I already did a moment ago. Basically they've got let me click that link again, sorry. So it'll take me to the main page. So they've got video, image, audio, motion backgrounds, intros, lower third, footage. Let's just click lower thirds. I already downloaded one down here, which I'm going to try and install in a minute. Some are free, some are paid. Yeah, by subscription. So I've never had a subscription, so to be honest I can't tell you what it's like to have the subscription and what's included in that. Over here we can go filter it as well to the free ones. So I've just downloaded this one. In a minute we'll try and install that and see how that goes. It'll be the first time that I've done it myself. But the cool thing is you can make your own folders and libraries and stuff. So we can import media to library that way, but what we need to do very first is actually go down here and create the new library. So I'm just going to call this tutorial media, and I'm going to start with a blank. Okay, we don't want to choose any of these, we want a blank folder first. So let's just create that. So now we've got it here, we can choose, these are the other ones I've created, and then back here's Camtasia up here. Here's where I try and keep my music like that. So our new one was tutorial media. So now we're going to go import media. So let's go ahead, I'm going to press command and just or control on Windows. I brought those in. Is it going to show us the preview? Yep, it's just taking a little bit of time. If I double click we should get a preview, but of course if you build your own then you're going to know what they are anyway. So let's click this blue icon down here and go import to library, and let's import the 2 videos and the 2 audio tracks like that. Import. Of course I could have changed the folder there. So now let me close this and don't save. Okay, and now if I open a new project with Camtasia and go to the library, I have this already here. So I can just drag these down onto the timeline and they're going to be ready for me to edit. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Oh no, that's I forgot. Let's go and see our downloaded file, and let's see if we can't install this. Let's just drag it across to this folder so it's a bit cleaner. Okay, so I just double clicked on that. This was a lower third, so let's put it in tutorial media, import. Okay, there it was. Easy as that to import. Let's drag this down, let's see how it's looking. Let's play it down here. Okay, pretty cool, I like it. And just on a side note, you'll notice, or you may have noticed, this here says 4 clips. If I double click this, it expands out, so this has been grouped together. Some animations have been added to it. So I will show you how this is working and how you can edit these and how you can even create them as well. I'm just going to get rid of that tab there. It's very handy for intros and stuff, and it keeps stuff nice and neat and organized, and I quite like that. I might even use this on these videos. Yes, I like it. Okay guys, so that's it for the library. I definitely advise you to use it if you're cranking out a lot of videos. It's going to save you a heck of a lot of time, and it does make things dead easy. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.